6.3, number 41, we're trying to find the sine of 7 pi over 8. It tells us to use half angle identities. We don't know the sine of 7 pi over 8, but if we doubled it, it would become 7 pi over 4. So think of this as the sine of, if I doubled it, well, so it would be if I double it, it'd be 7 pi over 4 and then divide by 2. That's weird that we would do a fraction and leave it in that form. Okay, so that's the doubled version on top, and that's the dividing by 2 to get 7 pi over 8. Alright, so our u is 7 pi over 4, which we know things about. That's a special right triangle. The sine of u over 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine of u over 2. And we're trying to figure out positive or negative. 7 pi over 8 is in quadrant 2. It's somewhere over here. It's less than pi, 7/8 pi. So sine is the y value, so it's going to be a positive y value. So we're going to choose the positive. So now it's the positive square root of 1 minus the cosine of u, 7 pi over 4 over 2. So the cosine of 7 pi over 4. 7 pi over 4 is 1 3/4 pi, so it's right down here. It has a reference angle of 45. It's 315 degrees, so 1 square root of 2, and that's negative. So cosine of that angle is 1 over square root of 2. I'll call it square root of 2 over 2. And now we can multiply the top and bottom by 2. So I get the square root of 2 minus the square root of 2 over 4. So square root of the top over the square root of the bottom gives me 2 on the bottom. So square root of 2 minus square root of 2 over 2 would be my answer here.